Ngempela sonto amaphoyisa akhiphe isitatimende esithi sekuqala ukucaca ukuthi kwenzakalani ngobusuku okwabulawa ngabo uSenzo Meyiwa. Athe ayaqhubeka nokulandela umkhondo. Athi okwamanje kubukeka sengathi bathatha abantu ababamba iqhaza ekubulaweni kukaMeyiwa. Kodwa emva kwensukwana nje asebonakala emanqika ukuchaza.
What we are certain of, that there were two people that we could say were directly involved with the incident. Again, I'm saying directly involved with the incident. That is people that were on the premises.
Amaphoyisa athi omunye walabalisa uZanokuhle Mbatha oneminyaka engama-25 nokuthiwa uhlala bude buduze nalapho kwabulawela khona uMeyiwa. Umndeni kaMbatha usuphikile ukuthi wabamba iqhaza wathi kunomehluko omkhulu phakathi kwakhe nesithombe aboshwe ngokufaniswa naso.
The identikit is not identical, but it is similar. We are, from the investigation thus far, we are sure that the person that we have now charged is one of the suspects that were involved in the incident. This does not mean that it is the end of the investigation. We have cast the net as wide as possible to look at each and every possibility.
Umunu uthi seliqala ukuhlangana ulwazi ngokubulawa kukaMeyiwa.